If you have been receiving or you have received this pop-up notification on your Pi screen, you need to watch this video right now before taking any further steps in order to avoid losing your Pi coins. Also, if your coins was initially migrated into your wallet but was now returned from your wallet into your Pi app or into your unverified, you also need to watch this video to know what to do next to get your coins migrated back into your wallet. Now, if for some reason you lost access to your Pi seed phrase or the wallet that you even currently have access to, you feel it is compromised or hackers or scammers have access to it and you want to change it, you need to watch this video also to know what to do next. Concerning this pop-up notification, a lot of influencers are advising you guys right now not to click on it for any reason or not to even put in your seed phrase. Reason being that this is one of the methods scammers have used to get a lot of you. They deploy an ad on the Pi screen and then you think it is from Pi themselves. You now click on it and they ask for your seed phrase. Then you put in your seed phrase gets sent to them. Then in turn, they steal your funds. So because of this, a lot of people have been warning against clicking any ads on your screen, including I myself have been warning my people not to click any ads on the screen in order to avoid losing their coins. But after making a lot of research, I discovered that this current one that is displaying on the Pi app is not from scammers. This one is from the official Pi team themselves. And for you to know how legit this is, if you notice, those phishing sites that have been displaying on your screen so far, they come in form of ads. For you to know when an ad is displaying on an app, you check it and then you are going to see that at the top of it there's going to be a counter counting down from either 60 seconds or 30 seconds down to 0, and when it is done they'll give you an X button or the option to exit from that ad page and proceed into your normal Pi app. So if you notice, this pop-up notification that is appearing on the Pi screen does not come with any of this. That is one thing. Another thing again is that if you notice on your screen here, a wallet address is displaying. And if you go and check the wallet that you connected to your Pi app initially, and you see that that wallet corresponds with what displays on your screen, then you know that this is not from hackers or scammers, because they cannot do this and tell you to confirm your wallet or whatsoever. That is another way. But nevertheless, it does not mean that scammers or these hackers cannot still use these opportunities to send their own, and then you might not even notice it. So because of that, I'm going to provide you a safer method, because normally the reason why Pi Network is displaying this on your screen is for you to confirm your wallet if you still have access to it, or if you don't have access to it, it's for you to change it, and definitely you have to put in your seed phrase. So if you don't want to get scammed or you do not want to put it on a fake site, you need to use this method that I'll show you in this video, and it is pretty easy and straightforward. All you basically have to do is to open up your Pi app. At the top left of your screen, you click on the hamburger menu. Then the menu options are displaying. You're going to see your mainnet. You go to your mainnet checklist. Then from this, your number 1 to 9 mainnet checklist, you check the number 3 option that asks you to confirm your Pi wallet. All you basically have to do is to go there and then you put in your wallet seed phrase. That is the wallet that you have access to, that you are sure that is connected to your Pi account. So you put in your seed phrase. Once you put in your seed phrase, this time around, they are going to send you a verification email into the email address that is connected to your Pi app. So once you receive that verification email, and note, you are not putting in your seed phrase on this verification email. They are not asking you for your seed phrase on your email. All you basically have to do is to go there, the link that they sent you, you see a button that says verify. You click on it and the wallet that you connected will be verified. And that simply means that your coins will now be migrated into that Pi wallet. But if for you that have lost access to this your wallet, because a lot of people are complaining to me that they lost access to their seed phrase, they couldn't find it or whatsoever, just in case you know, if you lost your seed phrase, you cannot recover it. It is gone, it is gone. The best you can do is to create a new wallet. So even if you have funds on that wallet, once you lost your seed phrase, it is gone. Forget about it. Now, if you lost your wallet seed phrase or you feel that your seed phrase is compromised, you can see also in this number 3 mainnet checklist, you're going to see below it where they ask you to create wallet. So you can simply click on it, create a new wallet, and they are going to assign to you a new seed phrase that you now have to keep safe. And also, just as the initial method, they are going to also send an email to you for you to be able to verify your wallet before they can now link it officially and prepare to migrate your coins into it. And that is basically it. Now, for those of you that your coins was already migrated into your Pi wallet, then it is now returned. What they are doing although there are a lot to this. But the thing here is, a lot of people are complaining that immediately their coins get into their wallet, scammers are removing it. And how the scammers are doing it is they are not the one themselves removing it, because they cannot be that fast. So immediately they got access to your seed phrase, they encrypt your wallet with an external bot, such that once that bot detects that your Pi gets into your wallet, or any coins at all get into your wallet, it automatically moves your coins out of that wallet to an external wallet that they probably have already connected. So even if they are sleeping, once your coin gets unlocked, it gets transferred automatically into that their wallet. So because of that, and a lot of people have been complaining, a lot of the community have been complaining that they do not have access to their coins is lost and the like. So that is probably why Pi is now returning migrated coins, and that is even the reason why they brought this wallet verification feature. So they are now returning your coins back into your app for you to now have the opportunity of creating and connecting a new wallet. So if for you that your coins was initially migrated and you feel that your wallet is safe, you can go ahead and confirm your wallet again, so that they can now migrate it again this time around into the wallet. Or you now have the opportunity to create a new wallet as the method that I have initially showed you. So you create a new wallet, connect it, and they'll migrate it into it. But I'm a bit skeptical about this, because first rule of decentralization, or first feature of decentralization, is giving you full access or total control over your funds. And as such, anybody that has access to your seed phrase or the private key automatically have access to all your funds. So let's say, for instance, I have a MetaMask account or a Trust wallet, and somebody send me funds or coins into it. Ordinarily, even Trust wallet cannot move out my coins, because they do not have access to my private key or my seed phrase. I should be the only one that should be able to move or do any transactions on that account. And that is how it has been. That is why if you lost your seed phrase, they cannot recover it for you. So for Pi now to now be able to, coins that they've already sent to your wallet, they are now being able to migrate it again. I think something fishy is going on there. And I even heard recently that they are under investigation, as in some authorities are investigating them. Because if they claim to be truly decentralized, ordinarily, even though I know it is for the good of the community, they are trying to, give you access to your coins because of scammers and the likes, but they should not be able to, unless one thing, Pi Wallet app is not decentralized and they have access to do whatever they want to do with our funds. That is the only explanation I could get to this now. But anyway, I'll still keep making more researches, and when I get any more updates, I'm going to update you guys here. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel, turn on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. And with the link in the description box of this video, join my Telegram channel to stay in touch. Anytime I upload videos like this, I drop the link there first, so people that are there are getting access to the video first before even you see it. So you can join that channel and keep in touch.